Hello, in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to place a business logo order. So let's jump into it. The first step is to decide on the complexity of the logo you need. You can choose between basic, standard, premium, or if you need a mascot, you can choose that. The next step will be to input your business name, which is your logo name. If you have a tagline, you can input it here. And upload anything that you will need or want us to implement on your logo. If you've seen any cool reference or if you have some sort of an idea, you can upload it here or share a link to it. Another important thing is for us to know exactly what your brand is all about. So please share more information. So for example, I inputted that we're making clothing for bikers in the age of 21 to 25, and they are all males. In the next step, you can choose the type of logo you need. So it can be a flat, a vintage, a feminine one, maybe a 3D, or a hand-drawn. If there's anything else our designer needs to know, like any do's or not do's, any legal stuff that we should be aware of, you should input it here. If there is specific colors you want us to use, you can input them here. Just click the colors and choose the specific colors. So let's choose, for example, a green color here, and maybe a specific pink color or a red. If there is any other additional services you need, like the source files, a social media kit, a brand guide, or anything else, you can pick it here. And if you need to see the example of it or to know what it is, you can simply click the tooltip. The last step is to decide how fast you need it. 48 hours is free. If you need it super fast, you can even go for 6 hours. The last step will be to check out just for this order using these two buttons. Or if you want to become a member and save money on each order you place, you can simply choose the packages. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us using the live chat button here at the right corner. Thank you.